Good Tuesday evening to you. Richard Scott here with an update of Tropical Storm Gordon that is making landfall as of the time of this recording. And also we'll talk about the next several days, keep it up your local weather forecast as well. So let me take you into what's happening locally. This recording at about 9:40 on this Tuesday night. Got some rain impacting our far southern counties, mainly below Demopolis. Some light rain across southern Marengo County, Wilcox, and Dallas counties. This will build northward over the next few hours. But also we have Tropical Storm Gordon officially making landfall this evening. And again, this recording 9:40 on this Tuesday night. At that point, the center of Gordon was right over southern Mobile County, Dauphin Island. That is where the eye of the storm is now. Again, making landfall officially as a tropical storm. It did not gain a Category 1 hurricane status. It's close to it. Winds at 70 miles per hour at landfall. It's moving northwest, and this thing will rapidly weaken over the next few hours. This continues to move further inland. In terms of winds with this, we've been pretty fortunate in terms of reports so far. We got 35 miles per hour in Mobile. That's at downtown, 14 at Fairhope, 23 at Gulf Shores. I know winds could have been a lot stronger if this were a stronger system, but looks like the core of the stronger winds with this is in a very small area across southern Mobile County, and that is continuing to move off towards the northwest and weaken as it comes inland. Again, here's the official stats from the National Hurricane Center. Winds at 70. We'll get an update at 10 o'clock from the National Hurricane Center, and I expect that wind is probably going to stay the same. Haven't seen any evidence of it any stronger than it is right now. Again, the track for the National Hurricane Center moves in northwest rapidly across southern portions of Mississippi, over to Arkansas by Thursday, and that'll take the core impacts to the west of most of our area. Here's a Futurecast model. You see some rain coming in again overnight tonight into the day on Wednesday, mainly for West Alabama. Again, rainfall amounts will vary quite a bit across the area. In fact, if you're up around Gadsden and Coleman, you may not get any rain at all. Meanwhile, Birmingham towards Tuscaloosa and Greensboro, we're looking at about a quarter-inch to half-inch, and then down towards Demopolis and Linden, perhaps about an inch of rain out of this. Now, on Wednesday, I can't rule out an isolated tornado, but the risk of that's going to be low. Closer to the Demopolis area, looks like it points south as some of those feeder bands fill in. Tomorrow, looks like mainly 11 a.m. to about 11 p.m. on Wednesday. In terms of wind impact, really no impact in our area. Maybe some gusts over 20 miles per hour across Sumter and Marengo. A storm surge, again, that is occurring now. We've got about 3 to 5 feet along the Mississippi Gulf Coast, 1 to 4 feet from Baldwin County points east towards Destin. The 3 to 5 feet does also include southern Mobile County as well. Weather updates, do want to remind you at Twitter at RichardWVUA23, also Facebook, WVUA23 Richard Scott updates on there, as well as our blog. Again, there is Gordon. You see the top half of Gordon there as it comes inland. Again, some rain with that, mainly for West Alabama. So far in terms of rainfall today, only about 1/10 of an inch in Tuscaloosa. Most of the rain's been south of town today. We've got temperatures in the 80s, though, for Tuscaloosa and Birmingham. Meanwhile, where it did rain a little bit more today, we've got 70s down to the south and Linden down towards Montgomery. Get a good chance for showers for tomorrow for a Wednesday. Then dry weather begins to filter in by the end of the week into the weekend with hotter temperatures. We're back at the low 90s with just those random pop-up afternoon storms.